There's a thunderstorm in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm sitting out on my hear that thunder, yo, that's pretty crazy. Sitting here on my screened back porch right now. It's late at night. Yeah, you can see that. There was a severe thunderstorm warning for my area, but it's now expired. So, guess it must have weakened. Whoa. That was a good one. Yeah, Kalisa. Kalisa. There's the Kalisa. Another flash of lightning. Trees right there. Wow, that was pretty cool. Kalisa. So, yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I just want to show you this nice relaxing thunderstorm that I always enjoy during the night, especially when it's like in the low 70s. We can have the windows of your house open and listen to it while you sleep, so it's very relaxing. So, hope you guys enjoyed this.